Welcome to our Feel Good series. The combination of beautiful imagery, animation and music as we walk together in a bushland, rainforest, country garden and beach setting uplifts the spirit and transports us into a wonderland of sensory pleasure as we enliven all our physical senses, our olfactory, visual, tactile, auditory and gustatory senses. A multi-dimensional experience. This interactive video series nurtures the well-being and happiness for all of us and of those most vulnerable in our community. Feel the calming, meditative and regenerative healing benefits, creating a peaceful state of mind for any of us that suffer from insomnia, chronic states of stress, anxiety, and other mental and physical debilitating conditions. Feel the joy and happiness, even when we are not free to actively engage in the external world on a consistent basis. Feel a sense of belonging as we remember all the positive memories and to alleviate when we are feeling isolated and alone. Feel the comfort, contentment and boundless enrichment as we immerse ourselves in the enchantment of the beauty of nature. Feel the limitlessness and timelessness of our wonderful universe. Take the journey in our Feel Good series to experience just feeling so good.